The HSI Professional Glider Flat Iron is packed with the most advanced technology to give you shinier, smoother results that last longer. We begin with the 1-inch wide heating plates, made of high-quality, durable ceramic that provide an ultra-smooth surface so that your hair glides through. The ceramic plates are then coated with Tourmaline gemstones that emit negative ions to give you a frizz-free shine. The ions work by breaking down water molecules so they more easily penetrate and hydrate the hair cuticle. The infrared heat generated by the ceramic tourmaline plates heats the hair from the inside and locks moisture into the cuticle, sealing the hair for a smooth, shiny finish. The glider is designed to protect your hair with integrated heat balance microprocessors that continuously monitor the exact temperature across the surface of the plates and automatically adjust the temperature for evenly distributed heat. That means fewer passes are needed for silky results while protecting your precious hair from overheat exposure. The fully adjustable temperature ranges from 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing optimal performance for any hair type. The floating plates with curved edges continuously adjust the tension and angle of the plates to avoid snagging your hair so that you have full flexibility when creating sleek, wavy, or curly styles. The glider, designed for salons, perfect for home styling.
New Braun Silk-Epil 9 Flex makes epilation fast, efficient and convenient as never before for incredibly smooth skin. The world's first epilator with a fully flexible head effortlessly keeps in contact with your skin and smoothly adapts to your contours. The new slim ergonomic handle with anti-slip grip is easy to hold even when epilating wet. Braun Silk-Epil 9 Flex has all you need for beautiful skin. Use the shaver head to shave and trim your sensitive areas easily. Experience Braun's best epilator. As easy as shaving, as long-lasting as wax. New Braun Silk-Epil 9 Flex. Full flexibility, weeks of smooth skin.
Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the one-step hairdryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous results. Style confidently.
Hi everyone, my name is Cooper New, and today I'm going to be showing you how I like to use the Alure 3-barrel curling wand. I'm going to be showing you how I use this tool to get some really fun beachy waves and how quickly and easily you can do it. So let's get started. The way I like to use this wand is by alternating the way that I hold it. So I will start by doing some of the waves holding the wand at a vertical angle, and then I will also do some of the waves holding the wand at a horizontal angle. That helps so that all the pieces don't look the exact same, so they blend and they look super effortless. You hold for a few seconds, then you pick it back up and you move down in sections. As you can see, it's creating a really nice wave. And then when I get to the bottom, I leave that little bit out, which keeps everything looking really natural and beachy. Now I'm coming in and I'm holding the hair down in a vertical angle and coming in horizontally with the iron. Beautiful! Look how bouncy that is. I'm now going to repeat the process on my whole head, and at the very end I'll show you guys how I like to do the pieces that frame the face. This piece that is closest to my face, I am going to angle the iron towards my head so that the curl can lay a little bit better. So this is what the finished style looks like, super fun and beachy. Now I'm going to show you some fun ways that you can accessorize this hairstyle.